Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by to my channel where I talk about everything from gardening to gadgets on a budget. Now, if you want to see me unbox these budget-friendly wireless headphones, then stay tuned. Alrighty, thanks for sticking around. So today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Veatool Bluetooth wireless headphones. Now, this video is for those of us that love our gadgets but don't want to spend an arm and a leg for them. So I did my research and I shopped around and I found these earbuds on Amazon, and they turned out to be a fraction of the price of the most popular earbuds out there today. Now, my kids can't stand when I do that budget shopping, but guess what? If you find a steal of a deal and it still has good quality and works just as good, that's money in the pocket. Alrighty, so I just about got it open, but let's see what's on the back here. It says it comes in 3 colors. One is black, one is black gold, and then there is white. And I got the white one. And it also says that it has the wireless charging function for the case. Okay, so let's see, what do we have here? Looks like we have a bag to keep our earbuds and case in. And then we have our user manual. It tells you how to, I guess, pair your headphones with your devices and all those other instructions. Next we have, looks like it is a card where you can scan and claim prizes. One for headphones or a bonus or a lifetime warranty. Awesome, free prize. Alrighty. And then this looks like we have our case, our charging case for the earbuds. And okay, we're left and right there. And we have our earbuds. And yeah, pretty cool. Looks like they have a touch system on them. And what else do we have? Got a box here, and that must be, let's see. Yes, that is our charging cord, and that is our C charging cord. And I'm not sure if we need to plug it up and charge the case before we use the headphones, or if the headphones need to be charged. But I am going to go ahead and put those in there. Oh yes. So this charging case also gives you a display of what percent the case is charged to. Whoops, I must have that in the wrong way. Let me see. Alrighty. Yep, there you go. And there you go. And it is on 91%. So I am going to go ahead and charge this, and then I will come back. All right, so it almost finished charging. Got up to 99%. I got a little impatient, so I wanted to finish making this video. So it says in order to pair it, then you need to go ahead and open it up and take both of them out. And I can't show you on my phone now because I'm using my phone to record, but it goes into pairing mode. You go onto your device, whichever one you're gonna hook it to, and you look for case 6, which this is, and you push the connect, and it will go ahead and connect for you. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and put them in my ears to see how they fit. They are not marked left or right, so you just gotta figure it out. This one's for the left, That one's for the right. Okay, so I like the way they fit. They don't make your ears feel like they're clogged. I've used headphones before where it feels like you're in the mountains and you need to yawn, but these they're comfortable. Some people might like their headphones that where they make it so they're noise canceling, but I don't like that feel, so this feels good. Now, they also have the touch system. You see, you touch there and you will get your functions from either one, left or right. On these headphones, the left have certain functions and the right has certain functions. Okay, if you touch the switch once, it will play or pause. Touch the right switch twice and you'll turn the volume down. Touch the left switch twice and you'll turn the volume up. Touch the right switch for 2 seconds and you'll get the previous song. Touch the left switch for 2 seconds and you'll get the next song. Touch either switch once and you can answer or end the call. And last but not least, hold that switch down for 2 seconds to reject that incoming call. Oops, and I almost forgot. For all you Siri users out there, you hit that switch 3 times to activate Siri. The lady talks to you and says, power off or connected. Now, it's kind of difficult to describe to you how headphones sound via video, and I can't do that right now anyway because I'm using my phone, so that would be a whole nother video. If you talk about the fit, I love the fit because it's non-cloggy. I like the touch system. Hopefully it won't be so sensitive that every time you try to adjust the ear fit that it won't adjust the volume or anything like that. All in all, I think I got a pretty good deal if you compare to the higher priced headphones. They're like a fraction of the cost. So I will have to come back and give you an update on how it went. So if you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have questions or comments, please leave them below. If you want to be a part of Kathy's Heart family, just hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for staying by and watching. Talk to you later. Bye.